Go for it.
Ready? Alright, so this is our project. Here's our enclosure. LCD screen. The menu, set, password, enter password. Here's the 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set, enter, and reset. So this is a completely closed piggy bank.
So, yeah, this is a box.
And we're gonna set a password. Alright, now it's locked, right? We're gonna enter it.
Boom!
Boom, it's open. Inside, you see, enter the right code.
Here's the
Inside, here's a circuitry. We have a servo here operating the door. The battery connected Arduino. Here's our LCD screen. It's all connected in there. It's a little messy, but it's alright. And you gotta put it back up. And for closing, see it's closing.
and we are golden.
Alright, and if you put the wrong password in, it'll tell you to. You enter the wrong code, and it won't open.
Yep.
So
Good
that's it.
deal.